I'll bet you didn't know the billions and billions of tiny cells that make up your body have even smaller parts that make up their framework. Before we start looking at those tiny parts of a cell, let's first look at the two types of cells. Cells can be either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are unicellular organisms, like bacteria, that lack internal membrane-bound structures. Eukaryotic cells, like plant and animal cells, are unicellular or multicellular organisms that contain a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Let's examine the organelles in plant and animal cells more closely. The cell is protected from the outside environment by a plasma membrane, a flexible boundary that controls the movement of materials into and out of the cell. The cytoskeleton is composed of microtubules, which are long, hollow protein cylinders that assist in moving substances within the cell. The nucleus is located inside the cell and contains the coded directions for the production of proteins and other essential molecules. A double membrane called the nuclear envelope surrounds the nucleus. Materials move into and out of the nucleus through openings in the membrane called nuclear pores. Within the nucleus, a structure called the nucleolus produces ribosomes. Ribosomes are non-membrane-bound organelles composed of RNA and protein. These organelles move into the cytoplasm where they assemble proteins using directions from DNA. Protein synthesis also occurs on the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, a highly folded organelle. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes that actively synthesize proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum contains few ribosomes, so little protein synthesis occurs here. Proteins synthesized on the endoplasmic reticulum are sent to the Golgi apparatus, which is a flattened stack of membranes that modifies, sorts, and packages proteins for distribution throughout the cell. The mitochondria is a highly folded organelle that releases usable energy for the cell. Lysosomes are found only in animal cells. A lysosome is an organelle that stores digestive enzymes that help digest food particles as well as recycle excess or worn-out organelles. A cell wall surrounds each plant cell. A cell wall is an inflexible barrier that provides support and protection for the cell. Plant cells contain chloroplasts. They are double membrane organelles that contain chlorophyll that captures light energy and undergoes photosynthesis. A vacuole is a membrane-bound compartment for the temporary storage of materials. This organelle can be found in both plant and animal cells, but is more commonly found in plant cells. So you see, there are only two types of cells, but the differences between them are significant.